Hello, welcome to New England Industrial Machinery. Today we're doing a video demonstration of a 2003 Sharp 3-axis CNC vertical mill. It is a model OMV. It's equipped with a 10 by 50 inch table. Travels are 35 in the longitudinal or x-axis, 15 in the y, and 5 inches in the z-axis. It's a programmable spindle speed from 60 to 4,500 RPMs. It's an R8 spindle nose, which has a Mach 1 quick change kind of drawbar to it. Up there on the top, you can kind of see it a little bit, and just kind of makes it a quicker change. It has the Acu-Rite MP2 3-axis CNC control. It's a mill power. Has a 7-inch column riser, not on the machine, but there. And we have the tooling and bolts for the riser and a selection of tool holders. Plus the drill chuck in the machine itself. Has all necessary manuals, I guess. Automatic lube system. Floppy disk drive. Storage of programs. And it's equipped with boxways, saddle type on the saddle. Boxways, nice condition. It's a great running machine. It's a 3 horsepower spindle motor. Wired right now for 230 volt or low voltage 208. So we'll go ahead and start the machine and go through its functions. That's just a quick demo of a program that was in there. Can we manually move the table X and Y and spindle Z? Nice, everything's quiet. Go through it's electronically variable speed, which is nice. And again, that's programmable right into the computer. Nice, strong, quiet, just the way you'd hope it would be. Forward, reverse, of course. Can you do a tool change or just show us how that operates? So, that's it. That's it. So you have to turn the spindle control off so you can manually operate the quill, and then just bring it all the way up, pops out, and bring it next tool in and pop it in, and away you go. So that's the machine. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you and look forward to working with you.